Hello traders, in this video we are going to be briefly discussing the trend candles indicator. Okay, so let us start by adding the trend candles indicator to the chart. Here we go. All right, so one thing you're going to realize with this indicator is that it directly imprints the signal on the candlesticks. Okay, so we can see that when the prevailing momentum in the market is bearish, the indicator is going to imprint red vertical lines on the candlesticks. It doesn't matter whether it's a bullish candle or a bearish candle, you're going to see the appearance of these red vertical lines on the candlesticks. Okay, and then when the prevailing momentum in the market is bullish, you will notice that the indicator will imprint the green vertical lines on the candles irrespective of the candle's color. Okay, so what you have to do as a trader using this indicator is first of all identify the trend direction. I'm going to recommend that. Okay, very important. So once you've identified the trend direction, of course, look out for lower highs, lower lows for a bearish trend, or higher highs, higher lows for a bullish trend. Once the trend direction has been established, the next thing is to look out for a signal in the direction of the trend. So since we have a bearish trend in this case, we want to look out for a sell signal. How do you get a sell signal? Just wait for the red vertical line to be imprinted on the candlesticks, right? So now in this case, you're going to look out for price, forming a lower high. That's one. After price forms the lower high, just like in this case, this was a high, a lower low. This was a lower high, a lower low. This is another lower high, right? So after price forms the lower high, you just wait for the red vertical line to be imprinted. After that, you can consider entering a sell trade. But of course, make sure you get your confirmations, right? Maybe you can use candlestick patterns or other indicators for confirmation, additional confirmations, right? So in this case, this was a good time to sell. Now, after selling here, we can perhaps set our stop loss above the previous high, and then you just wait for that particular leg down. Okay, maybe we can consider selling at support zone, or even wait for price to, wait for the candlestick to print a green vertical line as our exit signal. So however you decide to exit your trade, it depends on you. Okay, so if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so that you don't miss out on more valuable trading content. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Happy trading.